Welcome, savvy investors and market enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Shopify Inc., ticker symbol SHOP. This e-commerce powerhouse has been making waves, but what does the future hold? Buckle up as we explore both the bullish dreams and bearish nightmares that could shape Shopify's next 12 months. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the stock market, this analysis will give you plenty to think about. Let's embark on this roller coaster ride through Shopify's potential futures. Positive review. Ladies and gentlemen, picture this. Shopify, the darling of the e-commerce world, soaring to new heights in the coming year. It's not just a pipe dream, it's a very real possibility that has analysts and investors buzzing with excitement. First off, let's talk numbers. The average 12-month price target for Shopify stock sits at a tantalizing 75.63, with some optimistic forecasts researching as high as 96. That's a potential upside of nearly 12% from current levels, and for the bold among us, it could mean gains of over 40%. But wait, there's more. A different analysis puts the average price target even higher at 83.83, suggesting a mouthwatering 26.76% increase. Talk about a growth story. But Shopify isn't just about impressive numbers. It's about dominating the e-commerce landscape. The company has positioned itself strategically to capture higher gross merchandise volume, GMV growth. In layman's terms, this means more products sold through Shopify's platform, translating to higher revenues and potentially fatter profits. What's driving this optimism? For starters, Shopify's competitive advantage is rock solid. The company has shown an uncanny ability to penetrate various verticals, adapting its platform to suit diverse business needs. 5. This versatility isn't just impressive, it's a key driver for future growth. Moreover, Shopify isn't resting on its laurels. The company is constantly innovating, recently expanding access to its AI-powered features. This move isn't just about keeping up with the Joneses, it's about setting the pace in the e-commerce race. By making these cutting-edge tools available to more users, Shopify is positioning itself as the go-to platform for businesses looking to leverage AI in their online operations. But perhaps the most exciting development is Shopify's recent partnership with retail giant Target. This collaboration opens up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing Shopify merchants to tap into Target's massive customer base. It's a win-win situation that could significantly boost Shopify's reach and revenue. In essence, Shopify is playing chess while others are playing checkers. Its strategic moves, technological advancements, and key partnerships paint a picture of a company poised for substantial growth. For investors willing to ride the e-commerce wave, Shopify could be your ticket to impressive returns in the next 12 months. Negative review. Now let's take off those rose-tinted glasses and look at the potential storm clouds on Shopify's horizon. While the bull case is compelling, there are several factors that could throw a wrench in the works. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room: valuation. Despite its strong growth potential, Shopify's stock is already trading at a premium. The company's forward PE ratio stands at a lofty 61.55. In simpler terms, investors are paying a hefty price for future earnings that may or may not materialize. This high valuation leaves little room for error and makes the stock vulnerable to any disappointments or market downturns. Speaking of earnings, here's a sobering fact. Shopify's net income for the trailing 12 months stands at a negative $209 million. That's right, despite all the hype and growth, the company is still losing money. This raises questions about Shopify's path to profitability and its ability to justify its high valuation in the long run. Moreover, the e-commerce landscape is becoming increasingly competitive. While Shopify has carved out a strong position, it's facing pressure from both established players and nimble startups. The company's commitment to innovation is admirable, but it's also costly. Shopify's research and development expenses have been rising, which could put pressure on margins and profitability in the short term. Let's not forget the macroeconomic headwinds. With inflation concerns and potential economic slowdowns looming, consumer spending could take a hit. This would directly impact Shopify's merchants and, by extension, Shopify itself. The company's growth is heavily dependent on the success of its merchants, making it vulnerable to broader economic trends. 3. Another potential stumbling block is Shopify's reliance on third-party apps and integrations. While this ecosystem approach has been a strength, it also introduces risks. Any issues with key partners or popular apps could negatively impact the platform's functionality and user satisfaction. Security is another growing concern. As Shopify handles increasingly large volumes of sensitive customer data, it becomes a more attractive target for cybercriminals. A major security breach could severely damage Shopify's reputation and lead to a loss of merchant and consumer trust. Lastly, let's talk about competition. While Shopify has been a leader in empowering small and medium-sized businesses, giants like Amazon are not sitting idle. Amazon's recent moves to improve its offerings for third-party sellers could pose a significant threat to Shopify's market share. In conclusion, while Shopify has shown impressive growth and innovation, investors need to be aware of the risks. The high valuation, ongoing losses, increasing competition, and potential economic headwinds could all contribute to a challenging year ahead for Shopify stock. As always in investing, it's crucial to weigh the potential rewards against the risks before making any decisions. Remember, the stock market is unpredictable, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Whether you're bullish or bearish on Shopify, it's essential to do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before making any investment decisions. And there you have it, folks. A balanced look at Shopify's potential futures. Will it soar to new heights or face turbulent skies? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the next 12 months for Shopify promise to be anything but boring. Stay tuned, stay informed, and happy investing.